Eins.
Oh, warte, Schatz.
Nimm.
In der ersten Runde. Oh, ist der
Gut gemacht.
Nice.
Oh, nice.
Okay.
Okay, now you guys can eat cake, yeah?
Go, put it in your mouth.
Bravo.
Hello Vinaka guys, welcome to another vlog. So here we are at Guterslow, Ratulelai family. So here we have Chef Ben.
Kleine chef.
So Ben is gonna show us how to his recipe to marinate the chicken.
Wat länger chef bara.
One chicken flavor, Sayo. You wanna use it?
This one.
Sayo.
Huh? No, we'll use this one.
What is chicken flavor?
Which one?
Like the
No.
like that one behind there, the barbecue one,
Yeah.
only chicken.
No, this is the Fijian style marination.
No.
Yung kosongan na siya, baka na mixed vegetables.
Ito ko na na, meron ni Clay.
Kailangan na dapat sama.
What's the name?
Na masih menit sama ini.
Oi, German salt.
German salt. German shepherd. German shepherd.
Soy sauce.
Now we have the soy sauce.
Sauce na goreng. Namurah ko na kayo luka. Balilan ko na oyster sauce. Ito goreng. Balilan ko na oyster sauce.
Ja.
Namurah ko na garlic and ginger.
Kijk eens aan go.
Namurah ko na namur.
Garlic and ginger.
Begin ginger.
Let's put it in there.
Zet, hè.
Oh.
So guys, we are
This is the marination for the lovo tomorrow.
we are doing the marination for the lovo. So tomorrow we are
Marination.
we're going to make the lovo. It's a traditional Fijian style of cooking.
Exact.
Tomorrow we are celebrating the youngest son's birthday
Leo.
from Sai
Leo.
Ratulelai. Leo's birthday.
Small box.
Small goat.
Small box. Bueno, vamos a hacer.
Nakapa. Hindi sila kabuha.
Kailangan sa kanila box. Kaya na yan, mapakaway-way taka na to.
Olive oil, eh?
Kabulong-bulong.
Oh.
Too healthy.
Healthy, okay. German olive oil, eh?
German shepherd.
German shepherd na kuli.
Look at that pork here, pork.
Hey, pork. So this is Chef Serusi.
Yeah. Look at this. This is the leg of the pork.
The sanganas,
Sanganas, pork bellies.
pork belly. This is. So what you gonna do? All go in the lovo.
After yeah, all marinate there. After the marination, then lobo. Tomorrow you're gonna see the lobo.
Can do it.
You guys wanna eat the lobo? Come.
Come to Kandabu, eh? Kandabu Street.
Kandabu Street. Look, Kinoya.
Kinoya. Come to Kinoya. Hey, nah, nggak gini dah.
Set good balik.
Zet, hè.
Alright, guys. Now we are marinating the pork.
Ginger garlic is already there.
Ginger garlic is there.
Bit of soy sauce.
So this is the recipe here in Kinoya.
This is the recipe from the Gangilinda. Oyster sauce.
Oyster sauce.
Oyster sauce. And a bit of Coca-Cola. From the Coca-Cola.
Oi, Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola.
Bit of Coca-Cola.
Yeah, Coca-Cola, boy. Kandabu nga sarawata.
Kandabu nga sarawata.
That's it.
Salt.
Not too much salt, eh.
Because the soy sauce already got salt. Vetsin, wala mo rin vetsin?
That's it.
It's in. So the pork will also go in the lovo, eh?
Mix well.
So now we have to marinate.
Kung ko sa tali giveaway. Kana uro sarangan ang kay
Yo.
This one we don't put oil,
Yeah.
just put coke.
Just put cola because the pork already have fat in it.
Yeah.
Lot of oil. Otherwise, too much oil, not good, eh?
Too much oil will give you DNV.
Wait,
Lamb chops.
lamb chops.
Bayo sa nalitang mata ko. Bato ko na.
Maybe see how thick the lamb chops are.
Bato ko na lewa na tsukira ya.
Good for barbecue.
See, this we're gonna put few chops aside. We're gonna
Few
use
pieces,
it for
Fijian palusami,
Fijian
yeah.
palusami. But this palusami,
It's a German, German style.
German Shepherd.
German. Oh,
But this palusami, this is the German side.
German style, yeah. Like because we don't have taro, taro leaf, eh?
We don't have
We
terror.
don't have roro.
It's German terror.
So we're gonna use spinach instead of taro leaf.
Ito na ba nga go? Kay musmus eh. This 4 pieces, we'll cut it into cubes. And you guys wanna see our terror leaves?
So the taro leaf is here. German taro leaf.
Hey, the chef needs to speak in German, eh?
Spinach.
Spinach.
Alam na spinach macam eh?
Spinata.
Spinato. Chicken is ready, pork is ready. Now we are jumping into the lamb chops. So now ginger and garlic. So this is the base of all marination. When you marinate something, it's ginger and garlic. It's a must. And then oyster sauce. And then duck soya. Olive oil. Olive oil.
Everything good? Oh, salt, yeah.
Bit of salt.
Salt.
Let's see.
That's it.
Sugar.
Oh, sugar. Yeah, true.
Bit of salt.
Hey, you didn't put sugar there. The pig.
Kanjin, eh?
Yeah, pig,
We can
yeah.
put the pig can have
The
some
pig. Yeah. Some sugar.
Some candy, eh?
candy.
Great.
Gorbane.
And then now you have to mix.
Aye.
We are fortunate enough to have a hand mixer from Lau here.
Oh, what now? All the way from Nambua, Mid Road.
Mid Road Nambua.
Hey, boy. Don't start.
Wait, not Russia. The hand mixer is here from Nambua.
Amaka.
Amaka.
None of this is gonna bring the logo to Logo.
So night before we do the marination so that the flavor can go through the meats.
To
So
marinate
that the
it really
marination can
good.
go through the
Yeah.
meats. And then Morgan
Ode!
will make the logo. And also tonight, guys, we are watching the game between
Yes.
France and New Zealand. So Cyrus and I, we're cheering for the All Blacks.
Me,
And
France.
Ben here, he's cheering for France.
Eh?
Wait, after this I go get one beer. Cheers for the marination. And
Cheers for the marination.
Ba, lakang ko sila yung bira sa imbito ito.
Marination is done.
Go Fiji, go!
Rugby.
Rugby.
Let's go!
Kumain ka na ng TV.
Alright guys, a big upset here for the first Rugby World Cup match between New Zealand and France. So France has defeated New Zealand with a score of 27-13. And yeah, congratulations France. Vamos there.
Tomorrow, Logo.
Tomorrow Lovo.
Gusto yung misawin nyo, Waransi.
See you guys tomorrow. We're gonna show you guys how to prepare Lovo. And yeah. Mode, good night.
Hello. Good night.
Andra, good morning. Just finished breakfast. We are just preparing the lovo now. 12 o'clock, then we're gonna light the fire.
That's why we're gonna do the lovo. With the stones there on that corner.
Now we are preparing the ingredients for the palusami. So onions, tomato, ginger and garlic. That will go on our palusami. Okay, now guys, we're gonna peel the cassava. This is the cassava here in Germany.
Or you call it the Fijian Red Bull.
Fijian Red Bull. Not like the fresh ones we have back home in Fiji. But the taste is there.
Is that cassava?
Yes.
Cassava for you.
Cassava?
That's all the spinach that we're gonna use it for the palusami.
For the palusami.
Yeah. It's the tomatoes, onions, and this is the meat for the palusami. Now we're doing some cakes. So that's the cream, right? The cream, and that's the base of the cream. And here is the birthday boy. This little one here. What's your name? What's your name? What's your name?
Alt.
Huh?
Alt.
What else?
Alright guys, welcome back. So here we are starting the lovo.
It's right.
So we are teaching young Joshua here to prepare the lovo. Fijian traditional style of cooking. So the stones are there ready. Leo, wait. Small ones first, then big one.
More.
Yeah, wait. Come this side.
There's the goose.
It's on now.
It's on. Just get ready.
Right, put the
Small firewood first, like that.
More thing. I want to put more.
Yeah, put this one.
More. Where? More.
Yeah.
Just follow what the Papa is doing.
This is just to.
Can't do this.
Leo, watch out, it will fall on your feet.
This one.
Nur den da reinmachen.
Yeah, wait. Okay guys, so small firewood first in the middle, then big ones on the side. Now the medium one comes.
Kan je niet maken?
Ja. Ja. Kom maar eraf.
Put it here. Yeah. Watch out, your hand will burn.
There's one small one in there.
Wait, no, Leo, stop.
Genau.
And then.
Then here, just the stone, just put it on top, okay? Like that.
Enough.
So next we'll put stones.
Next. Spoon.
Just do his own logo. Put it at the top.
Leo, watch out, the smoke will burn your eyes, yeah? So yeah,
Move that side.
you have to hurry up because the fire is
It's catching up.
catching up.
Getting up. Oei.
That's it.
Now the fire is to have to hit the stone.
Okay, that's it, guys. Then you just
Let's
wait.
wait.
So the small pieces of wood which we put in the middle, it will, because the stone is heavy on top, so it will burn first and then it will just fall right down in the middle. And the big ones on the side, then we'll keep it burning till you see the stones get red hot. That's the sign then it's ready. Then we have to take out the firewood and then Let's start cooking. Okay, a bit of update with what's happening. Now Pate is cleaning the lamb chops, ready for the palusami. That's the spinach there. Separating the meat from the bones. This is the coconut milk. I know if there's some islanders watching this video later, this is one of the island delicacy. Every time you do the lovo,
It's a must to have this.
Have to be there.
And we go palusami. And here we have the recipe for the
This is the
another traditional Fijian delicacy. Especially from the Lau group, they know this.
We're gonna mix it with milk, flour, sugar, and the coconut, grated coconut. Yeah.
All right, guys. So now we are doing the palusami. So first thing first, put the spinach, and then onions and garlic. Just sprinkle it on the top with tomatoes and ginger. And then lamb chops. There you go. So this is a German style of Fijian palusami, and then coconut with a little bit of vetsin and salt. So fresh coconut milk. So that's how you prepare palusami. Then you have to just wrap it, close it properly. So how many sandwiches? How many we making?
We're gonna make about
2 or 3?
2 or 3.
Yeah. So 1 down, 2 or 3 to go. All right, guys. So here we are jumping on to the next menu, which is flour or flour, Fijian flour. So it's just a normal baking flour. There, 1 kilo, 1 kg. So we have 2, and so these are all the ingredients: flour, sugar, grated coconut, and milk. So yeah, 1.5 kilos of baking flour, and a little bit of sugar, white sugar for taste. And to mix it properly. Don't worry, guys, I already washed my hand. Okay, now grated coconuts. The more the better.
More the better.
Mix it properly again. So guys, this is our own technique, our own recipe. So we did not
No measurements.
yeah, no
just
measurement.
Throw it in and see how it goes.
After you mix it properly, so now the milk is coming. So when you're mixing it, the texture should be not too liquid, not too dry.
Kung baka na spoon,
Yeah, it's good. Make sure you mix it properly so that everything blends in together. Normally the traditional style is without milk. It's with
Water.
yeah, just normal tap water. But this is our own technique. Is our own twist of making this flour. There you go. And more there. Flour, coconut. Hey, look. Say hi. Joshua's going to play soccer.
Hi.
All the best. When you come back, then you will try this. This is like a traditional Fijian, but this is our own like recipe. It's milk, coconut. Goreng. Goreng. Six. So one down.
Dua serang agora.
All this lovo preparation, it takes a lot of sweat, time. Okay, update from the firewood. Can see the stone is turning white. When it's super red, that means it's ready. So Ben just arrived, guys.
Hey.
Maloy.
Morning.
So Ben was the one who marinated the meat last night. So here we have chicken. You can see it on the beginning of the vlog.
Last night.
Yeah, that was last night. So now we are just wrapping everything up before we put it in the lovo.
In the lovo.
Okay, ndam sara ni dola bano kona katumba. Gitu na bo say no. Ni say den la mo say dondo.
Sa mo to? Wait to.
No smoking on my vlog, please.
Damn no.
All right. So now
What?
we have the lamb. So we finish the chicken. Also the lamb. We marinated the lamb last night.
Go. Uy, may ba?
So can I juice lama? Okay, kita lihat. Kau apa cook?
Sana
na buat kan?
Fish we put coke in there. It's the lamb. Lamb chop.
Ya, di sini. Full. So after the lamb, the big boys are coming here. Pork. All right. So now we are wrapping the pork. Only in Germany. Only in Germany, from the Fijians. So we are just making use or just using things which we have available here in Germany, like foil. In Fiji, we normally use banana leaf and coconut leaf. Kamalumutungan. More. Nice one, Naita.
Nice one, Naita.
Naita Marika.
Eso Naita Marika. Okay, tama. Chica.
Yeah, ang bukit ito Naita Marika.
Ang ito tolo ko rin.
Ano kayo?
So this young boy who is celebrating his birthday today is super lucky and blessed
Blessed young boy.
young boy. Nice weather. It's the summer is finishing here in Germany right now, but the weather today is super warm. We are fortunate to have Cyrus here. The way he's wrapping the foil, wrapping the food. Because he's so professional in wrapping the suki from Fiji. Eh? The $10 suki. Ora tamay motirigi. $10 suki. So we just need only stone on the lovo.
Now it's red and hot.
We'll just make it flat. Nice and flat. Katsi. So now we have to put the pork because it's bigger pieces.
Sanggur na lem. Dapat na lem. Nah, jangan salit.
So pork, lamb as a foundation.
Chicken.
Let's go this side.
Now chicken.
Lava, follow.
Follow. Siapa follow ibig sir?
Pulsan.
Persen.
Udah gay. Jadi bakal apa pindah lama.
Kasi karni ba ang paisaw siya?
Enggak ada. Apa nih nak kecil kau nak kata-kata?
So this is the flour, Fijian flour.
Chicken flour.
Kamu sekarang. Kalau cuma kali ya, kali balik sana.
Okay, now we are using a type of potato bags. It's better you soak it with water so that it sticks.
What is that?
Kartoffel
What is that?
bag.
What is that?
Das ist Lovo.
What is that? So it doesn't burn out?
Yeah, so it doesn't burn out. Yeah. So it's just that simple, guys. You can try it. And we have our own technique of making lovo. Sometimes, like you use newspaper. You use newspaper to cover the lovo instead of alu foil. But make sure to wet the newspaper. You soak it in water and then use it to cover the lovo. So time check. 3 minutes after 3. So 5 minutes after 5. All right, till then, see you after
2 hours.
2 hours.
2 hours.
So it's 5 o'clock. All right. All right, guys. So we are back here in the kitchen,
Another dish.
preparing the Fijian Kokoda. So now we have a spring onion here, tomatoes.
Oh, I don't know. 6 o'clock, 7.
So this is seafood.
Half nga.
Yeah. Mixed seafood, eh?
Yo,
Okay.
can you explain what?
This is what you call
what's
frutti
inside?
di mare, as they say it in Italy.
So it looks like prawn,
Lily, come this way.
Lily, move.
What's that?
oyster,
Seafood.
It's mixed of everything.
mussels,
Oyster, squid, octopus,
octopus.
Ines.
Crab? Crab?
crabs,
Chulu, chulu, chulu.
Really crab?
crabs.
Then I'm gonna eat crab.
crab meat. So here we have molly,
I know what's there.
lime. So we'll cook this, but first when you buy this from the shop, first you wash it first, like defrost it, and then soak it in hot water, and then cook it in lemon. Here we have the coconut milk. Because we don't have coconut trees, we just have this. This is the best. It's so thick. Alright, so now we have to squeeze in the lemon.
With the raw. I think you want to use this lemon.
So guys, the meat will be cooked from the juice of the lemon. Alright, so now next step, spring onion and tomato. Now you have to mix it. Beautiful. And then let it sit for how many minutes?
20 minutes.
20 minutes. And then we'll add in coconut cream.
The time has come to pour in the coconut milk. So, Mr. Vince, don't think that we in Germany cannot prepare the Fijian dish of kokonda.
Come here.
So if you also want to try the real kokonda, come here to Kinoya in Gütersloh, Germany.
This kokonda is straight from the island.
Wakando. Which island? Which island?
Kandaru Island.
Ma.
Only one bite, Mumuma.
Only one bite, mumuma. So in Tamwa they have the standing bull. Here we have the
Standing fish.
the lying goat. The lying goat.
Yeah, the lying
No, jumping goat. Jumping goat. Taste, chef. Woo! No, I don't want to taste. I don't. If I taste, I need a big bowl. Okay, let's taste, guys. Boto. Po.
This one.
Mouth watering. Mouth watering.
Kung baka korto da kauts kung may nahuti ay. Taste wa mo kung ano ver may taste. Lain tu mana ngarto na may taste.
Cos'è cimbisuki tu sama taste dan? Tamata Ben. How's the taste?
Huh?
Wonderful.
Just like in the movies, yeah?
No, this is for real.
Just like watching Fijian whales tomorrow.
My Vici.
Enes, mag je van mijn auto. Jongen, du willst dich nur abziehen. Später muss das Doppelte drauf sein.
So guys, this lovo was total of like 2 hours.
Bitang apa tiki? Hotel lama kan di mana sih?
Exactly 2 hours. Guys, you can smell the fragrance of the meat.
Smell the different ingredients.
Yeah. Und vitamin. Fijian protein.
Kasere, wele. Kasere. Look at the cassava. If the cassava is cooked, everything is cooked. Because the cassava is right on top. Cassava, this is the flour. So now we are just putting everything out, and so that the ladies can start the preparation.
Ich hab gearbeitet, ne?
Bitte kan tabiok.
Ich hab
Ich hab Donner gegessen.
das wieder gegessen. Ich schwör's dir.
Na, pulsan.
Ey, ich wusste, das war 5 Euro.
Bitte mir kan pulsan.
So what I'll tell you.
Kalt Döner.
So we have to separate the lamb from the for lamb. The rest is pork. Right, let's go inside so that we can show you guys.
From my...
Look at the flour, guys. Look at the flour, which we bake. Okay, taste.
Taste.
Taste it.
Oh, cheers.
Cheers. Wow.
Cut.
Mm.
Cut.
Perfect.
Look good.
Good, no one, you're not a little.
Ayun.
Yan, nandun talito na ako.
Tapos mo ito pala, gore.
Guys, this is the palusami. German style palusami. Without taro leaf.
Ang bungay ke?
Nandiyan ko.
Ang bungay ke?
Without taro leaf, we use spinach. Beauty.
Buhay naman, sa pulsa yung sarang.
Nalutang ko pa tayo.
Chicken.
Sarap. Oh, sang.
Pero didi, dua tayo.
Have you got any more plates like this?
Huh?
Any more like this?
Yeah.
How many did you bought?
Lovely.
Mine is 1,000.
Apa?
This is lamb. Oh, see the meat is just coming out of the bone. Look at that, guys. Lovely.
Nandito na.
Usap ito ko?
Nice.
Diese Ines, ne? Normalerweise wir essen sofort da. Diese Dinge sofort in den Tisch, alle nehmen was die will. Also.
First.
Nasi Islam. Ako sabi sa yung lijo.
So now we are cutting up some cassava and some pala or the Fijian flour.
Benu?
And everything is ready. Food is ready. So here we have, we have to call the chef to explain here. Chef Marina,
Chef Marina.
bitte. Was ist das?
This is the yum yum salad.
Okay, what do you have inside?
It's the yum yum noodles with corn and the cabbage. Yeah, this one here is the Italian noodle salad with salad, rucola salad, olives, dry tomatoes, mozzarella. Yeah.
Nice. Can't wait to taste it. Okay, so now the food is ready for the guests to try some traditional Fijian food. Chicken, lamb, and here we have the famous Kokoda.
Was machst du denn? Bist du ein Geschenk?
All the food is ready now. As you guys been seeing how we prepared it this morning. Now all the food is ready to go. All the guests are outside. They're gonna come soon and have some food, yeah?
Ist sie nach unten gezogen worden? Von gegen den China, ja, aber der Vermieter...
Look. That was the bad boy that prepared our food today. Everything is nice and clean now, ready to eat. And after that, grog session.
So now I dished some pork
And now on top of the pork, you have kokonda.
Hi.
Dave, bula. Alright guys, so this is my plate. So we have the Fijian palusami here with spinach, lamb, pork, kokonda, and the Fijian bread. Alright, guten appetit.
Boy, why do you roll on my hand?
Sama. Menu saran Fiji dengo.
Sapi.
Kacau duit lagi. Tes rancana hak onu.
Seit diesem Jahr. Du machst dieses 6-monatige Programm und das war's. Vorher musst du im Dezember zum Beispiel noch, musstest du einen Antrag an die Krankenkasse stellen. Dann war immer noch in Frage, ob die das genehmigen oder nicht. Ne? Und jetzt genehmigen die ja jeden Hand und Krank. Ne? Kein Wunder, dass das jeder macht.
Tunjukkan gitu untuk salgmen. Jangan.
Es ist nicht ohne.
Tungan. Iya no, pokoknya lo komen.
Kata mana gitu nih apa barang cek ini selain.
Boy. Dua na kalah sih baru teko barang sih. Ya untuk nak aku mereka temu New Zealand.
Orang ko. Roche tek New Zealand coba anggo. Barang cek minta anggo.
Ya Bangor tu nak lepas apa cete ke barang New Zealand juga. Oke, kemen nak Pasifika. Kemen nak bank tu nggak meta benda cina buru-buru.
Kali que me bisa pakai coba tau.
Itu nak kalau kau pikir apa nak?
Eh?
Kac, dokan apa binak?
Iya, sana.
Kalau tahu tuan cuba, nak train satu, manual move.
Kira sa prensa ko mimpimpin na wala, mimpimpin na dito.
Laut cina.
Komm, Leo, setz dich hin. Did you make it? Mama, das mein Vorsicht. Ach, du machst das drin. Ja, geht's nicht, ne? Schick mal weiter.
Leo's third birthday.
Birthday to you, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Leo. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy long life. Happy long life to you. Happy long life to you. Happy long life, dear Leo. Happy long life to you.
3 cheers for Leo, hip hip.
Hooray! Hooray!
2, 1. Oh, warte, Schatz. Oh, in der ersten Runde. Oh, ist der
Good gemacht.
Nice!
Oh, nice.
Okay. Okay, now you guys can eat cake, yeah? Go, put it in your mouth. Alright, so now we are starting the cover ceremony.
Cover procession.
Malaka na tangi, man. Nice breeze.
In Kanda, they call it wakatewa. In Lao, they call it wakalutuna sumpasum.
Yeah.
Hey, guna bay. Hey, kain guna.
On kay. On kay. Do. Sab-sab.
Isa, dong boleh berak.
Bulare.
Malaysia.
So Kali, they came all the way from Hanover with Dave. Their son is playing
It's the tip of
rugby here in Rida Videnbroek, so they'll spend the night. And also tomorrow they have another game. Okay, bula binaka. Na boleh guna sobali kuah kalau kat Cigolio.
Vinaju.
Boo! Tukarang amat ini bil.
Kita na lightweight.
Esa. Tong bola binaka?
Bola binaka.
Kalau nggak tengah nabubale.
Ang bola bire bura-bura.
Bura-bura, minggu lah.
Ikaw live cik na tayo.
Siya na video.
Pakai plastik kotong ya pala.
Malong bula.
Bulan rin.
Malong bula.
Paling puluh pinaka.
Malong bula.
Iya.
All right. So now we are just waiting for the game to start. England and Argentina.
Dave.
Vamos de boys. Abarumbo kongo.
Peace out.
Peace out. So guys, if you want to see more cooking videos from the chef, master chef, Chef Sito
Chef Simi.
Okay, more. God bless.